Hello world, this is Siraj. Welcome to this Mac Techs. In this video, we are going to see the brand new look of iPhone 14 Pro. This iPhone 14 Pro comes with a 16 bionic chip, including dynamic hardware changes and software changes. You can shoot 48 megapixel Pro RAW photo in this smartphone. So let's get started. Here we go, the iPhone 14 Pro, 256 gigabyte. Let's open the box and see the big boy. Here we have the same design of previous versions, iPhone 13 and 12. The usual stainless steel design with 3 cameras in the same position. Here we got this similar lightning cable and user guide. You have to buy the charging adapter to use iPhone. Here we have 3 different cameras, telephoto, wide and ultra wide angle lenses. And this time they have made some changes, bit improvements on all 3 lenses for telephoto, wide and ultra wide. And the same LiDAR sensors for night mode portraits. Let's on the phone and do some quick setup. In the top of the display of iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can see a small pill-shaped area which is called as Dynamic Island, which brings system-wide alerts, notifications and system-related operations to the top of the display. Welcome to iPhone. Here we have the premium design. If we go to setting, we can see the usual control and commands, and they have new wallpaper customizations and the standard applications like calendar, notes, having the same features with iOS 16 and 16.1, but the major changes is on the camera. You can see different photographic styles and you can see the outcome before you take the photo. Here we have rich contrast style, vibrant style, warm style, cool style. Yes. The major hardware changes, you can see the notifications while you play music and other recording process. Yes. And if you record, you can see the progress on this bar. The major changes. More than that, we have the always on display. As usual, we have the built-in microphones, lightning cables and built-in stereo speakers in the same position, and we have the volume rockers on the same side. On the sides we have the power button. This time with iOS 16, we can remove the background of photo, like holding this, and you can grab the focus point object. And here we can have a look at the new iOS 16 features, and we can match your lock screen. Edit text messages, remove the background of photo, and you can unsend the email. That's a nice features with iOS 16. The camera, you can see the same features. You can shoot 4K and HD videos with different angles, different viewpoint, 0.5, 1, 2 and 3.5. Yes, you can see the wide picture and the crystal clear in the portrait in all 3 modes. Here you can change the tone and warmth. Can change the color contrast, everything before you shoot the photo, and you can see the outcome before you take the photo. And the album, you can see the same thing. Let's connect the Apple Music, and you can see the notifications here on the bar. Yes, you can see there. Here, let's get connected this AirPods Pro and listen to the music. Yes, you can turn on and turn off the display by pressing this power button. Yes, turn off the display. Yes.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you will be notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye for now.